Hey guys, my name is Lars and welcome to this video. I'm super passionate about making costumes and festival wear, and that's exactly what this channel is all about, showing you how to make some awesome unique costume pieces. My projects do range from easy things to advanced things, and also items that are more simple to more intricate. So there's something for everyone, and if you're new here, consider hitting subscribe to stay up to date with my projects. This particular piece, it's actually really easy, despite the fact that it looks pretty elaborate. I finished it in about an evening, so it was pretty quick as well. Now the inspiration for this piece, I kept walking past these flowers in a store and thinking how beautiful they were and how I actually just wanted to wear them all. The original intention for this was to make a bit of a cape, but it actually used up a lot of flowers as it did. If you want to make it longer at the back, just bear in mind that you'll be spending more on flowers. I also rarely come across artificial flowers that look really beautiful, like these ones. I find that most of them look pretty cheap and just very artificial, so keep an eye out for nice ones. Alright, as I said, this is a pretty easy and quick project, so let's get straight into it. guys, that's all from me in this video. Hope you enjoyed making this and that you love your creation just as much as I do. To watch another video, click here, or to subscribe and stay up to date with my projects, click here. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.